Hey guys, today we're making chimichangas. And if you don't know what a chimichanga is basically a deep fried burrito. Today we're not deep frying it, we're going to pan fry it, so it's a little healthier. But I have the pleasure today of working with my niece, so we're going to make the chimichangas together. So follow us for the ingredients. Okay guys, today we're making, like I said, the chimichangas. And for those that don't know what a chimichanga is basically a deep fried burrito. I'm not going to deep fry them today, I'm pan frying them. I'm also using tortillas. You can use whatever size tortilla you want. I'm using the small ones. I'm using green peppers, red peppers, and chili peppers. So like I said, you can change this up the way you want. I'm also using diced tomatoes, red onions. I'm also going to use two types of cheeses. I'm using cheddar cheese and I'm using mozzarella cheese. I'm using squeezable sour cream. I'm also using some seasoning for the chicken, complete seasoning. I'm using black pepper and I'm using a little salt. Now I may add more seasoning later, but I'll see as I go. So I'm going to use my pressure cooker so that I can cook this chicken a little faster. So I'm going to set the timer for 13 minutes and I'm going to put the lid on. Okay, so it's been 13 minutes now and the chicken is done. That's the reason why I love pressure cookers, because they're so fast and you can get out the kitchen. So now I'm shredding the chicken into bite-sized pieces and then I'll move on to the next step. Now we're going to build the chimichanga. So I'm going to add some shredded chicken, and I'm just making a small one. I'm making most of the time they're gigantic chimichangas, but I'm making a small one. And being that I'm adding other things to it, I don't want to put too much food inside of it. Okay, so that's enough. Tomatoes. I'm going to put a little bit of onions. Maybe a little bit more. We're going to add some cheese. The one tip that I want to share with you guys is after you finish rolling your chimichanga, use a toothpick in the back of it to hold the tortilla together. So now we're ready to fry. So we're going to fry this lightly on all sides and then we're going to drain them on a towel. That the chimichangas are fried, now we're ready to plate it. So now we're going, this is our finished chimichangas. So we made 5, but we're going to show you 2. Okay, so I'm going to add some sour cream to this, and we're going to start off with this one. So this is our finished chimichangas. Look at how delicious that is. When you want to make this for your family, I know I would. So, on that note, I'm going to show you what's inside the chimichanga. So, let me get a knife. Knife. Where's the knife? This is terrible. You know I can't. Okay, knife is over here. Okay. All right. It's too pretty to even cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show another chimichanga. Let's see. Let's not use this chimichanga. I'm just going to show you. No, you can keep recording. I'm just going to get this chimichanga here. I'm going to put this in another plate. We're going to add some tomatoes on top. Okay, so now we're going to try it. Girl, what are you doing? That's really crunchy. Then this is a burrito on overload. So, show them what they look like on the inside. See that? Delicious. Look at that. Yeah. This is delicious. I don't think I will ever eat another burrito again. Chimichangas are the best. They are way better than a regular burrito. And hands down, the chimichanga won. So I was going to do a comparison test of the burrito and the chimichanga, but I don't even have to do that. I can just tell you straight up right now that the chimichanga won. Hands down. Sure. Well, this has been fun. Thank you guys for watching us make this video. I had a blast making it. So you ready? Yeah. Okay. Well guys, thank you for watching us today. It has been a blast. It's been really fun making this video with my niece. This is the first time she's on my video. She's been in my video, but you haven't seen her. So this is the first time I'm introducing her. So she will be in a few more videos in the future. So thank you guys for even taking time out to watch us today. And I think I said too much. Did I? Wait a minute. You were supposed to say something. What you did? I'm so used to saying it. I forgot to say. Did you enjoy yourself, Jakira? Yeah. You had fun? And would you make another chimichanga if you had to? I would definitely make another chimichanga. Okay. Would you recommend the chimichanga to anybody? Yes, it was really good and it was a lot of fun making it. Okay. Well, guys, you heard that for yourself. So we both had a blast. So we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.